In order to grow your business, you need to provide online experiences that your customers will love. You may have an efficient deployment model and back-end modularity, but for many organizations, the front-end monolith remains. That's why we created Entando, the leading micro front-end platform for building enterprise applications on Kubernetes. We help you maximize the success of an OpenShift infrastructure by simplifying and automating how applications are built using reusable components. Entando on OpenShift enables your teams to update iteratively, deploy independently, and innovate more quickly. Maximize the value of your OpenShift infrastructure with Entando by horizontally scaling high-availability apps at will. With the Entando component generator, built on JHipster, quickly create microservices and micro frontends that take full advantage of OpenShift's infrastructure and deployment automation. Entando components can be built using Spring Boot, Quarkus, and modern JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue to allow your development teams maximum flexibility while also allowing you to standardize on a set of Red Hat runtimes. Then easily assemble components into applications with the Entando app engine. Reuse components across multiple applications via the Entando component repository, decreasing development costs over time and increasing organization-wide standardization. The Entando platform also includes Keycloak to provide secure authentication and role-based authorization across a set of components. Entando is open source with available enterprise support and services. Get started on the platform today or schedule a call with us to see how we can help you build better apps faster.